Beginning to deal with the topic that is FDI, foreign direct investment, and I'm going to explain this topic in brief, and this is part of shorts. So let's get started. Firstly, FDI was introduced in India in the year 1991, and it was introduced by the finance minister at that time, and that was Dr. Manmohan Singh. And the act under which it was implemented was FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Okay, it began with the baseline amount was US dollar 1 billion. These are the some of the key points to remember. Okay, and the sector which attracted a lot in India for FDI was telecommunication, construction, computer software, and hardware. Okay, and India is regarded as the second most important country, okay, for attracting FDI. So firstly, before that, we should know what is FDI, students. Okay, FDI, foreign direct investment. DI, direct investment, refers to that if any country is investing in another country, whether they are investing in production, whether they are investing in business, whether they are investing in service industry, that's FDI. They can do FDI by expanding their business activity, or they can purchase a company, that's FDI. Okay, direct investment in production or business in any country by individual. Any individual can invest in any country and do business activity, or any company also can do. This is the introductory part of FDI. See, and one more important point I would like to tell, that FDI played a very significant role to develop our economy. How? See, FDI has been a major non-debt financial resource for the economic development of India. Foreign companies invest in India to take advantage of relatively. See, if foreign companies are coming and investing in India because the wages, okay, the rate of wage is very low in India, and that there is tax exemptions, a lot of tax exemptions are there. Okay, to take the privilege, foreign countries are coming to invest in our country, as well as what's happening in India, there is more generation of employability, eradicating poverty, contributing to GDP, GNP, per capita income, as well as all round development of economy can take place by FDI. Okay, now these are the top major countries that share in FDI in India. Okay, Mauritius, Singapore, Japan, Netherlands, USA, UK, Germany, UAE, Switzerland, France. This is the introductory. And see, these are the sector, students, okay, where there is FDI inflow. Firstly, service industry 16%. Then you have computer software and hardware 15%. Then you have trading, that's 9%. Telecom 9%. Hotel and tourism 6%. Automobile 6%. Infrastructure, okay, roadway, railway, that's 4%. Chemical industry 2%. Construction and development 1%. Pharmaceutical, that's 1%. Okay, now if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.